Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got something different that replaced my Huawei Band 4 Pro. I used this before August. I got this back in 9th of August this year, and now it's September. I used it for 1 month, but unfortunately I don't like it lah, because I really don't like their functions or that kind of like unreliable. For me it's really unreliable. So what I got, which is this is a Xiaomi Band 4. This is their current smartwatch. They have their current smartwatch, but Xiaomi sell the Xiaomi Band 5, but I don't buy. I don't spend extra money. I got this from Shopee. And I got this another Xiaomi Band 4 Pro. Xiaomi Band 4. This one is going to be I'm going to give to my dad. And I have screen protector to protect this screen, as you might know, because previously I have my Xiaomi watch. I use it for like 1 year plus or 2 years plus, and you see this watch. Let me focus. As you can see on the previous generation of Xiaomi watch, the Band 3, it has a deep scratch on it. It has a deep scratch without the screen protector. So to prevent from getting my Xiaomi Band 4 from getting scratches, I am putting one on this one. So let's see the specs, what they have. So it is a Xiaomi Band 4. They have a color touchscreen, the notification display, the sleep as step auto monitoring system, and here's a bunch of text that if you want to see, you can pause the video. So this is a Xiaomi Smart Band 4, model number XMSH. Here's the model number. Then it is compatible with Android 4.4. That means Android KitKat, iOS 9 and above. Below iOS 9, the iOS 8, iOS 7 is not compatible with this. So yeah. Okay, packaging contents. Later I will unbox it. I'm gonna unbox this later. So real quick, here's the packaging content, what is inside. Then it has Bluetooth 5.0, manufactured by Xiaomi. Then this is another one, advertising or something. It has a 5 meter or something ATM. I don't know what is it. Water resistant. They have various exercise modes similar to the Huawei one, and a heart rate monitor. You also have heart rate monitor, but I playing with this, looking in this watch. They have the Oxygen SP02 oxygen sensor thing, but the one I try it is unsuccessful because it cannot read my oxygen level, so it sucks. I don't want to use it. It is totally useless. So let's begin the unboxing and set up this. Yeah. Okay, let's unbox this. Yeah, someone just remove the seal already. This box is for my dad. Okay, so let's open it. I have my previous Xiaomi account, but unfortunately I deleted because I using the Huawei watch, which is this one, and yeah, and I am switching to Xiaomi, as you see, because for me, I don't like the Huawei functionality, because I'm not a fan of Xiaomi. I'm not even a fan of Xiaomi, because this Xiaomi. No, sorry. I'm not a fan of Huawei because they have some issues with United States, and their phones, um, Huawei phones, after the United States banned Huawei, they couldn't like work together with Google, and yeah, and they introduced their own apps, Google App Store, which is called App Gallery. But unfortunately for me, it sucks because you because it doesn't have much apps. It doesn't like not like it's like not it doesn't make sense. It's not like not much like apps than Google and Apple does, and if you want to install like Call of Duty, like your popular games, Call of Duty mobile or PUBG or all that kind, you can't install. You cannot have. They did not have the. They did not have. They did not have the. They did not have these popular games. So it's not even worth it. So it's not even worth buying a Huawei phone, which is for me is a totally a useless. It's totally a useless device, a useless phone that it doesn't have Google enabled. So and yeah, don't want to use a freaking Huawei anymore, cause I hate Huawei. They are useless. Yeah. Okay. So right. Okay, here inside the packaging, you have the watch inside this watch inside the in the wrapping. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna use this for like forever. Okay, here's the watch itself, Xiaomi Band 4, and it doesn't have a screen protector in it, so that means I can like put one of the screen protector, which I need to buy separately, cost like $1 plus. And um this is the charger itself. Then this is the instruction manual, which has a bunch of text on it kind. So let's start to put the screen protector first. Now it's to charge the watch itself. Okay, just put in my laptop. Okay, let me just try it. Does it work? Okay, so it works just fine. So now is to install the Xiaomi app. So let it charge first, and I come back to this later. Okay, so I am using a webcam. I don't have an extra camera because yeah, I don't have a extra camera because yeah. So right, I'm going to install a Xiaomi Mi Face. This is a app. I have this app for years now, but I unfortunately because I switching to Huawei, I just install it and then I delete my old account. So that's a sad thing. So and let it install, let it sign in, all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so this is the Xiaomi Band 3 watch. So here's the thing. It is um still loading. Okay, shit. It's still um it's still installing. So yeah, let me just sign in my Gmail account, and yep, and we are good to go. Okay, finally installing some firmware updates and everything. I finally get this Xiaomi Band 4 up and running. So this is the watch itself. It has a bunch of heaps of things that is very interesting. Um it's very more better than the Xiaomi. I mean, like, better than the Huawei, because Huawei sucks. So yes, I gonna use Xiaomi Band 4 as my daily driver, and because I don't like Huawei. Sorry, this is gonna be my daily driver watch until it finally dies or something. And speaking of the Band 3, I charge I charge using a laptop. And so if you like this video, okay, so for the Xiaomi for the for the Huawei watch, the video is gonna be coming soon. I am apologize for not like I am apologize for not in I apologize for not uploading the video and upload the review video. So I apologize for that. Huawei Band 4 Pro Band 4 Pro watch will be coming soon. Will be coming soon. Stay tuned for the Huawei watch. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna finish this video. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. And I see you guys next time. Bye. Okay, some things I forgot to say. I am putting a screen protector on this Huawei watch. My dad ordered it. My dad ordered the watch, the Huawei watch, the screen protector. So it's just the same process as the Xiaomi Band 4. Is the same process. So okay, that's all for me, and I see you guys next time.